Behind a patch of sparkling flowers sat a tiny squirrel, nibbling on something orange. Finn chuckled. "Looks like we found our carrot thief." Flop gasped, then laughed. "It's okay, Mr. Squirrel. You can keep it." The squirrel blinked, surprised, then offered the half-eaten carrot. But Flop shook her head. "Friends share, right?"
The sun began to set, filling the forest with golden light. Finn, Flop, and the little squirrel sat together on a mossy log, sharing the last piece of the carrot. And that's how Finn and Flop learned their first lesson, that even a lost carrot can lead to a new friend. Because in the magical forest, every small moment becomes part of a bigger story.